Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background text box in Canva Pro. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to select your text box. For example, I'm going to select this text box and then you're going to click on effects from the top and then you'll be taken over to effects. You're going to select background. So you can select whether you want the background to be round, spread or transparency, so that totally depends on you. If you wish to change the color, simply click on this color over here and select numerous colors you want. You can choose default colors or you can also use document colors or select any color of your own from the color palette. Now instead of just changing the background for the text box, you can change the background of the whole page. To do that, you're going to click anywhere on the page and then you'll be able to see the color at the top. You can click on that and change the color you want, and also you can go to uploads and drag and drop any background of your own desire. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.